lovely people, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you see an end-to-end encrypted message into your WhatsApp. So, without any further delays, let's dive right into this exciting video. Actually seeing an end-to-end encrypted message into your WhatsApp is very easy task. To do that, we just simply have to follow some very easy steps. But before we proceed into the video, make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to the channel if this channel's video helps you. Now let's begin. Actually, every messages into your WhatsApp are end-to-end encrypted in 2024. You just simply have to click into the chats and after that just select the chat that you want to see to view the encrypted messages to your chats. As you can see here, messages to yourself are end-to-end encrypted. This message is encrypted and after clicking to the chats, I can see the messages here. Same goes for other chats here. Messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted. By following these very easy steps, you can also view your end-to-end encrypted messages or chats. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to share it with your friends. It might help them too. Thank you for watching.